Looking to control light without compromising image quality? MidOpt neutral density filters are like sunglasses for your system, designed for both monochrome and color cameras. These filters tone down light intensity across various wavelengths, ensuring that colors and contrast remain accurate. Choose from a range of optical densities to achieve a wide aperture and shallow depth of field. Each 0.3 density increment is equivalent to 1 f-stop. If you're filtering in the visible spectrum, the ND series covers 425 to 675 nanometers. The NX series uses heat-resistant B270 glass, is non-reflective, and offers consistent neutrality in the visible and SWIR when imaging within the 400 to 2000 nanometer wavelength range. The NI series can also be used when imaging within the 400 to 2000 nanometer range and is ideal for applications that require a large format, greater than 165 millimeters. Reduce pixel saturation, experiment with stacked filters, and count on exceptional surface quality. And all MidOpt filters are proudly made in the USA. Neutral density filters. Precision control for high-quality imaging. To learn more, visit midopt.com. Thanks for watching.